Hi there, today we're going to be focusing on text features. There are several different types of text features that we'll be covering, but today we're going to be focusing on 4. Captions, chart, headings, and label. Authors choose text features to help explain ideas or to help readers locate information. So I want to talk a little bit more about these 4 text features. So, right here, captions. Captions are words or sentences about a picture. So right here, we have a picture, right? We know it looks like a planet. So let's read the caption and make sure we're correct. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. Saturn has many rings of rock and ice that orbit the planet. So does that sound like it's a caption? Let's see. I said a caption was a photo with a sentence or word underneath explaining the picture. So we have our photo and we have a sentence explaining the photo. Yes, that is a caption. And right here it says information under a photograph that tells more information about the picture. Okay, next one, chart. Charts show information in a way that is easy to see and understand. So, my little pointer. Right here we have a little chart. Here's the title, What Did You Eat for Lunch? We have the options of sandwich, hot dog, chicken, pizza. And we have tally marks to show how many kids ate each option. Here's the next little chart. The title is, What is your favorite ice cream flavor? The choices are vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, mint, cookie dough. And then we have the number of students who voted. Okay, so a chart. So charts show information in a way that is easy to see and understand. I think this is a very easy way to see the information. Instead of, it's organized, so we have our options and our votes. Options and our votes. And you know what the chart is about because up top it has your title. Okay? Headings. Headings tell what part of a headings tell what part of a text is about. So, right here, do you see these arrows? All about a fish. And usually a heading, it stands out. So you see how this font is bigger, it's bold, darker. It really stands out compared to the rest of the words. All about fish. So I'm just going to read about 2 sentences. You can find fish in many different types of water. Fish can live in fresh water or salt water. So just off those 2 sentences, we're talking about fish already. So this is a perfect heading. It tells me that this right here, this section, is going to be about fish. Okay? So a heading lets you know what you're about to read. Labels. Labels name parts of a picture. So we have 1, 2, 3 different arrows. This is the arm, this is the liquid, and this is the heat source. Okay, so later today, or not, I'm sorry, let me correct myself. In just a bit, I'm going to be doing a read aloud that you're going to see several different text features. I want you to really focus on captions, charts, heading, and labels. I'm going to talk about a couple different text features like photographs, bold words. I'm just going to introduce them to you, but I really want you to see if you can't find any of these text features. All right.